your immunity to avoid this COVID situation. A simple method that can be adopted by anybody. Whatever demonstrated, that should be implemented by you. Is it correct? Unless you implement, you won't get any result at all. That's very, very important. And another thing is your mindset, confidence. I will not be attacked by any disease, including COVID. That mindset should be there. And I will do whatever I am telling you. Implement it. Do it for a week, you will see the difference. Unless you implement, you cannot get any result at all. This is very, very simple and important thing that is to be remembered. Now, what we have to do that one? First, we have to strengthen our mind and brain circulation, the blood circulation in the brain. So for that, we have to do a simple method such that your facial thing, entire thing will be relieved immediately. Feel the difference if you practice that one. And you will be energetic and you will do more work rather than whatever you are doing now. So for that one, first you have to just observe that one and you have to implement. I will give 1 or 2 minutes for that one and then see the difference there. There is a practical session I am doing now. Whatever you have to do, that one is just close your eyes. Don't close now. Okay, I am demonstrating that one. So close your eyes and keep this in the thumbs on the temporal portion, a dip on sides. And then with the fingers, just rotate, pressurize that one, how much you can give you the pressure. So just to do that one, you feel the warmness in this region. In addition to this, so this portion, this is the temporal portion, just pressurize in the clockwise and anti-clockwise where it is there. Don't go like this one. Just little one, little circular motion. Later on, so take these fingers and rub like on this one. And later on, so do this 2 fingers like this one. So in front of the ear and the back. Do it simultaneously. And later on, so do these 2 fingers and pressurize this eyebrows only on the bones of the eye. Don't touch in the middle of that one. And then, so this portion where the bone joint is there of the nose and the eyes, so I have to pressure like this one, 8 to 10 times. There will be pain. So as much pain you can sustain, you can give the pressure. Don't remove the fingers. It should be at that place itself. So afterwards, so just on this cheek, just pressurize like this one, in circular motion. Now don't open your eyes. After a few seconds, before that one, you feel the difference. The entire facial is warmed up. You feel the difference and the blood circulation in the entire region will be increased such that your body will be having sufficient blood circulation. In the entire body, it will go away. And feel the difference in the entire thing. And later on, After your this one, close your palm on the eyes, and then later on open your eyes just like one, and then some blinkings later. So open your hands like this one. So this is a very simple method, such the energy will be boosted for yourself. You will feel the difference. You will feel the difference. Just can you have demonstrated? Is there any doubt for that one? You can do it. So close your eyes. Your time starts now. Close your eyes slightly and do it. Whatever the thing that I have told you, just pressurize here, and then with fingers, just rotate like this one. There's some warming should be there, as pressure as you can. Later on, so in this portion, just this temporal portion, just pressure like this one. Don't remove the fingers. And after a few seconds, take the fingers like this one and rub like this one. And the sides of the head, left hand as well as right hand. And then take the two fingers, that's the index finger and the middle finger, and keep it as a V shape, and then rub on either sides of the front and back of the ear. So later on, I told you, keep the two index fingers and roll it on, pressure it on in the circular motion on the eyebrow, where there is bones is situated. Don't touch the eye in the middle of the eyes. Only 3 or 4 times is enough for you to relieve that one. And later on, you have to, with the index fingers, you have to pressurize the two joints, bone joints of the nose to the top of it, and pressure is for 8 to 10 times. And then just on the cheek. So you have to use the pressurize on the circular motion, and on the ears, nose in the vertical direction, and in the bottom of the nose, you have to rub like this one. So feel the difference now, how it is there. There is more blood circulation in your brain, and then also in the face, and overall the head. You feel the difference, and there is warming will be taken up, and it increases your blood circulation. Only a few minutes is enough for that one. And keep your palm on the eyes, and gradually open your eyes, and later on remove your hands. So have you feel anything difference there?
Yes,
Any
sir. We are
comments?
feeling the circulations in our body, sir.
That's why I'm telling you, you have to do this one. It's a very simple method.
Yes,
Okay, it takes only a few minutes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can do it for 2 or 3 times whenever you feel uneasiness or any mental tension or anything there, uneasiness in this brain portion. Okay, all tension headache and all other things will be gone immediately. You feel the difference.
Morning, sir.
Ah.
So actually, I am getting a little shoulder pain when I am doing it. So how
You are
can
having the cervical portion problem. Postural mistake is there for you.
Okay.
You have to correct your posture
Okay. Okay.
while sitting
if
or
I-
laying down or seeing in the gadget, whatever may think. The entire posture should be strictly like this one.
Okay.
How I am sitting like that one. The shoulder should be like this one. As an army man or a policeman. Okay.
sir.
In the
Okay,
case
fine.
of ladies, if you are a pregnant, how the lady will be walking and other things, you have to observe that. You have to implement it that. Huh?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
There's one thing that there are some few exercises I will show
Yeah.
you. Then
Yes.
you will immediately relieve that one. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
There is no medicine for that one. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is first portion, okay? The second thing we have to do that one is some breathing exercise we should be required for that one in order to increase our immunity regarding the COVID. It mainly attacks your nose and the throat and as well as the lungs. Now you have seen in the videos and other things, the second stage of this one COVID will be attacked directly to your lungs, not to the nose. Whatever the test they are doing, it is not getting any result. So for that reason, it will give you the negative, but you are still suffering from the respiratory problem system. So for that reason, I'm telling you to increase your immunity by this simple breathing exercise. What you have to do that one? Sit wherever you are there, and the neck and the shoulder and the back should be straight. Who are not done there, do it now itself in the postural adjustment. Just like I have told you, you have to pressure like this one in the shoulder should go back. Okay, sit like this one and then close your eyes. Just I am telling you what I have to do that one. You have to do that one. So, and then the neck should be straight and the spine should be straight. From sitting posture, from the tailbone to your head, cervical portion should be straight. This is very, very important for you. Those who are suffering from many problems will be solved with this posture itself. No medicine is required. For example, any back pain is there, any migraine is there, or any headache is coming, or indigestion is there, whatever may be the thing. All this will be connected to your spine itself. So if you do it correctly, then your majority of the problems will be solved for you. So later on, you have to take the two hands and close your thumbs like this one and pressure like this one. Just press like this one. Don't give too much pressure. Just folding that one. And then you should keep like this one. So you have to raise your hands, that's all. While going upwards, you have to release your hand from this end to this one, okay? And at the end. So I will go a little back. Oh, still it is not. Okay. So you have to sit like this one and then close your eyes and then rise. I will show you a demonstration. Just rise, release. Just rise and release. While coming back, you have to fold your fingers to the original position. Breathe in and breathe out will automatically take place. Don't worry about that one. Okay? It will automatically continue. So 1, 2. So like this one. Breathing should be done only in the nose, not in the mouth. You have to do it only in the nose. Now it will warm up your entire body. The lungs pressure of oxygen will be increased, and you will not be suffering any lungs problem or any respiratory problem. If you are having any respiratory problems, for example, asthma, allergy, whatever may be the thing, then it will be solved immediately. But you have to do it continuously, daily 2 times or 3 times, depending upon your severity. Will not be suffered any respiratory problem. That's why I'm telling you. So in the beginning, do it for 5 times, and then do it for increasing number of times, 11 or 21, whichever capacity which you require, daily 2 times in the empty stomach. In the empty stomach. So just closing this like one, you are doing a fist like this one. So I'm closing your eyes, and while taking upwards, you are breathing, and like this one, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out. Automatically it happens in the beginning itself. Okay, so do it, and as much as possible it should be straight. The hand should be straight. Okay, so come like this one. Do it 5 times, closing your eyes, and then do it fist and rise. I will give you the caution. While I will upward 1, second, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, only so much of instructions will be given. I will also do it there directly. So close your eyes, close your fist, and hands like in the fist form, and take a breath and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you feel about here in the shoulder portion and the cervical portion in the back portion of the neck? And here there will be warming will be observed there, and breathing problem will be released immediately. You can see the difference. Is there any observation? Any feedback?
Breathing is better, sir.
That's why. It increases corrects the posture of your body. That's very important. And in the COVID situation, the breathing problem should not be arrived. So that will be avoided if you do it simultaneously, do it daily 2 or 3 times, since COVID is there. It is not attacked by you. Even if you contact with a person having the COVID, you will not be attacked there. But of course, what are the specifications they are telling? Washing and sanitizer should be done, and mask should be worn properly. So all these things should be done. You won't attacked by a COVID without any vaccine. Okay? But of course, if a provision is there now, you can do it you go and take the vaccination also, wherever they are invited now. So this is the first thing you have to do, that one. In addition to that one, I will show a special mudra which will increase your boosting. Energy booster, we call it as energy pumping system is there in our body itself by doing this particular mudra. Doing 2 different mudras in 2 different hands. This is called as Pushan Mudra, P-U-S-H-A-N, Pushan Mudra. Pushan Mudra. So in that one, I will do 1 mudra on the left hand and the other mudra on the right hand side. I'm not going to detail, just I'm giving you the performance and the benefits, whatever you are going to be getting that one. because it takes more than 1 hour to explain all the things. Huh? So in this one, in the left hand, what do you, can you imagine any animal?
Rabbit,
Deer
sir.
face. Deer face. Huh?
Here.
Just a memory power for you. This is called as Apana Mudra. It is called as Apana Mudra. And there is another one on the right hand side. You have to use this one. This is called as Udana Mudra. Udana. Udana. Udana Mudra. The other two fingers should be straight as much as possible. And I have done the Apana Mudra on the left hand and then Udana Mudra on the right hand. And you are going to keep it on your thighs. This portion should be towards the roof, like this one on the thighs. Don't do it like this one. So keep it as it is and do it. Close your eyes and do it for few minutes, that's all. Your energy will be boosted. Just like if you are taking any tablets and other things, feel that one and it will be boosted. And the digestion portion, whatever may be in the stomach area, all organs will be activated. All organs which are present here, that will be activated. And then in addition to this, respiratory problem increases, solves. And then any brain circulation problem will be, if there is any there, that will be solved. Any problem, whatever may be. So this is what is called as Pushan Mudra. It gives you the energy to the entire body. Entire body. You can do it where you are walking or in the seeing this one, TV and other things, if you don't have any work on your hands. It's better if you are closed your eyes and a respiratory problem, breathe in and breathe out naturally, then you will get immediate energy will be boosted. So afterwards, you have to do another mudra, which is called as Prana Mudra. Only 10 minutes is enough for this one, 10 to 15 minutes, okay, at a time. And then do it, this Prana Mudra in both the hands. Your energy will be boosted. Don't do these things in the evening or night, because your energy will be boosted. You will not be in a position to sleep. Okay? So you will suffer a lot. Don't go do it in the night. Okay? This very, very precaution that should be observed for you. Only 5 minutes is enough for this one. Only 5 minutes is enough for you. So 10 minutes with Pushan Mudra. And then 5 minutes is and the Prana Mudra. Your energy will be boosted. You can work more now. Still, if you want anything, want to work, this will be, energy will be boosted for yourself and you can do it more work without any effortless or strain. Have you understood that one? So that's very, very important. That should be done. So another thing that should be done for your COVID situation, wherever if you are feeling any difference or not, nothing to worry, take steam 2 or 3 times daily. And if it is not sufficient there, then take a tawa, dry tawa, and put little turmeric powder on that one, heated tawa, and take the smoke of that one, any smoke of that one. That will relieve you a lot of with the infection. If there is any infection is there, that will be gone away. You feel the difference. And any respiratory problem if you are facing, that will be solved. Any wheezing is there, Any bacteria which may be present in the facial or in the lungs and other thing, that will be solved. Or any part of infection in your body will be released there. That's not attacked by any bacteria. If any bacteria is there, that will be destroyed by this smoke of the turmeric powder. Even it solves your cold problem. Any cold problem, common ailment, that will be solved for you.
Sir,
not
the
taking
sinus
medicine.
people can use this, sir? Sinus, who have a sinus problem.
Definitely, they will get relief immediately. Daily 2 or 3 times. Feel the difference immediately. Practically, you do it and then tell me the result in the next class. Okay?
Turmeric smoke
Sure,
is also
sir.
to be taken 2-3 times a day.
If there is any problem is there,
Okay, yeah.
or else only 1 time is enough. Just to increase your boosting or respiratory, this one, solve your problems.
Sir, how much turmeric to put?
A pinch of that one, that's all.
That's it. Okay.
That should be added to hot dry tawa.
Sir, can you please explain how to do this?
I have told you, heat a tawa on the stove without any water or any oil. Then
Okay.
it is heated, put a pinch of turmeric, that's all. Nothing to worry. No, with this one. No technique at all. It's a very simple technique. Because you know, ladies, you know how to cook, is it, sir? So it's
We can do this each time while we cook.
Who are suffering from any cold and other thing, do it immediately. Your problem will be solved. You will not be in a position to go to a doctor at all. Even tablets is not necessary. If it is having your tablets you are taking, that will be stopped for yourself. No, we will be advising to stop the medicine. Why should you unnecessarily take the medicine for your body problem?
After making rotis, they can end with turmeric inhalation.
There any problem, any respiratory, do it for yourself, for your safety, and with the family also. Because you are going outside and other thing, there may be any infection will be there. So do it for this thing and drink some little hot water, whatever, wherever it is done there, required is there. Then any bacteria which is present in this portion will not be survived. It will be destroyed for you. It's a very simple method. And another thing is, with respect to COVID situation, go for this black pepper powder kashaya with shunti, ginger.
Can you repeat?
Black pepper tea. Kashaya we call it as, or you can call it as tea, hot tea. So in that one you have to add ginger juice, but to the boil you can add pieces, this one, ginger pieces. And if you want for the taste, you can also, after a little, this one boiling and filtering, add little lemon juice. Lemon juice, that's what it will give you a very good taste. And
Sir, what about how many, how much black pepper?
Black pepper powder that I tell you, just a pinch is enough.
Okay.
Pinch is enough.
One pinch
piece of
powder.
ginger is enough for you.
Okay. So 1 cup tea. Yeah.
For 1 cup tea. Do it and taste it and give it to others also.
What are the benefits of that, sir?
You will not be this in COVID, out of the COVID situation. You won't get it, it will be attacked by you. An entire family, you practice that one. If you have a problem, repeat it for 2 or 3 times, or else only 1 time is enough.
Okay.
Instead
So in
of
this
drinking
summer, it
any
won't be effective.
coffee or tea, drink this one. Your problem will be solved.
Sir, in my house, there are 4 COVID patients. Can I give them?
Definitely. First steaming and then hot water and this tea, whatever I told you, and then the turmeric inhalation. smoke of that one. You will see the difference. Huh? Within a week or 2 or 3 days, they will be relieved from that one. How much I don't know, but they will be getting relief from that one.
Thank you, sir.
Huh. So this is about your respiratory problems, what I have told you regarding this COVID situation. Okay? I think that my time is out now. Huh?
Sir, one question.
Sir,
Normally students generally they sleep while studying. So is there any mudra which we can avoid this study time sleeping?
One is, I have told you the Pushan Mudra that can be implemented. Another one is Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra in both the hands.
Okay.
Okay? It
Yeah.
calm down your mind.
Okay.
Positive thinking will be increased.
Okay.
Positive thinking will be increased.
Yes.
And then any blood circulation regarding this one in the brain, that will be avoided. And at the same time, the memory pressure, the memory power will also be increased for that one, for that
Yes.
student.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
While reading, they put on one hand or in
Yes.
both hands, whichever is possible, then you have to do that.
Okay.
This mudra is
Correct.
called as Jnana Mudra.
Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra, whichever it is called as. Is there anything?
Sir, as you said, now that you are not at all wearing spectacle for last 2 to 3 years, still you are having a very good eyesight. So can you tell the secret of that? Whatever.
Yes, I am pressurizing this one in entire these things.
Okay.
Huh?
So with
Is
that
time,
actually.
is there any time, Vijay sir?
Yes, sir, we can have it another 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. I will
Yeah.
demonstrate that one. Okay.
Yeah.
We have 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Also, due to too much excessive computer or whatever we are doing for our work, from our eyes, the eyes are watering. So for that, what do we do?
I will demonstrate
That
now.
specs.
Nothing to worry. Any eye problem will be solved for you. Any watering or any dry eyes, whatever may think. Okay. 1 minute. Now, for this one, you have to sit like this one in the straight portion. There is the neck and the back portion should be straight. And I will demonstrate and then later you do that one. Okay, practice for yourself. So here, we are using only 2 fingers, whether it is convenient with the index finger or with the middle finger. Okay, I am pressurizing only on this area. Observe that one. Only on the bones. Not in the eye problem, the lid and other things. Okay, that's very important thing is there. So whichever is convenient, these 2 fingers or these 2 fingers. I will start from this point. Okay, just pressurize this one. You have to close your eyes. That's very important. And the posture is also very important. We are increasing the blood circulation for your eyes. You have to sit correctly. Then only do this one. And you have to have a confidence over that one. And then you have to do that one. So another thing is, you should set up your mind such that I will remove the spectacles. That should be there. What will happen if you do that like one? If you have a feeling, don't do that one. You don't get any relief at all. Very, very important, the mindset and the confidence. That will play a very important role in whatever I am telling you. One thing is you have to close your eyes. And I am giving the pressure only on the eye bones. Okay? I'm not touching any middle portion or any other things. So it solves almost all your eye problems. Whether by long sight or short sight, whatever may think, and migraine can be obtained there. due to the headache, you are wearing this one, specs, and all other things will be there. All these things will be solved for yourself by doing this.
Sir,
simple
after
exercise.
wearing
One-
specs, we are
1
getting
minute, 1
headache.
minute, whatever I am telling you, first listen.
Okay, sir.
Later you will ask. Huh? If it is not solved by me, I will tell you that one after putting the question. In between, you don't poke me your nose there. Okay? Just observe whatever I am telling you. So just I'm giving the pressure on this area. Okay? Wherever the pressure is there applied, if there is any pain is there, at that point you will be having the blood circulation is lost there. So that should be gradually removed. So for by practice. Then only your eye problem will be solved. So just close your eyes. And I'm starting from this nose joint bones. So just to do it for this one for 8 or 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, I'm just little moving upwards. I'm pressure like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a little distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just moving little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the entire thing, you have to do that one. And one thing is you have to remove, don't open your eyes immediately, because we increase the blood circulation in this area. So after calming down and you observe here how much this one blood circulation will increase it there, you will feel some difference in this area. Okay. In addition to this one, if you apply the pressure on this area, it will be activating the entire body. It will be activating the entire body. It's an acupressure points are there here. That will be activated there. And if there is any pain is there, suppose if I am pressing here, if there is any pain is there, just on that circular portion you have to do, just pressure it and do it like this one. Don't do it fastly. So just to pressurize like this one. You should not remove your hand, finger. So do it and feel the difference. Merely if you do it for that one, you definitely increase your eyesight and eye problems will be solved. It takes time because we are not taking any medicine or tablets, but it's naturally cured. Feel the difference and all the eye problems will be solved for yourself without any specs or whatever we think. Oh, only thing is you have to do it perfectly whatever I have told you. Huh? See the difference, and next week or next session, you can feedback yourself. While doing in this one, first thing is you have to close your eyes and the posture should be corrected and do it. Wherever the pain is there, that's a culprit point, and that will be solved for yourself. This is the thing that is to be done for yourself. Is there any doubt now? No doubt, huh? I think that I have clarified correctly.
Sir,
If there
was
is
small,
anything, is there?
It's good, sir. Good. We are happy.
Hmm.
Happy, sir.
Okay, okay.
sir, is there any way to cure the cornea?
That's why first you have to observe all these things. Even cornea problem will be solved. Only the mindset and the confidence will play a very important role. I'm doing that one, I will go out of that problem. That's all.
Right.
That should be there. Unless that you don't have any confidence and don't do that one also. Nothing will happen.
Thank
So
you,
on
sir.
guidance, sir, who is a diabetic, you shared that pepper and ginger can use.
Definitely
but
they can use, because we are not doing any sweet there.
it won't get heat na if we use this one.
Whatever the body heat may be there, that should be there.
Mm,
That should be reduced automatically by using some certain drinks. For example, ashgard juice.
mm,
Udgumulkai, we call it in Kannada.
correct, sir.
Patra in Hindi.
Mm,
That juice. Or Loki juice. Okay, if you do that simultaneously, that will be solved for you. Or
okay.
even lemon water. That will also reduce your body heat. Only one-sided question should not be there. There should be alternate.
Mm,
It may be there. That can be compensated by other methods. Then
Okay.
only your problem will be solved.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Diabetic means they are having indigestion process. The digestion process is not there. That's
Mm,
very, very important. You don't go to the root cause. They will advise and take the medicine, that's all.
correct.
That can be stopped and cured. Regulated
you.
and cured without any medicine. But don't stop medicine at present. So gradually you can come out. I'm telling you other things also in the next class. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what may be the advisable time, sir? Can it be in the early morning or in the evening? What may be the advisable time?
What is the time? What is the problem?
There.
Actually, you have to explain properly.
Sir,
Because it
can
is
we
to be treated for
this-
your body.
these exercises for the eyes and all face, whatever exercise you are told, can we do it at any time whenever we feel free?
Particularly if it is done in the early morning, in the
Yeah.
empty stomach, you will get better results.
Yeah, good, sir, good.
And now if you are taking any food and other things, you have to leave some time, a few hours, then you can do it.
Okay, thank you, sir, thank you.
So thank you very much for you. And
Sir,
I'm-
just one moment. My mother is having severe back pain, but it is not a normal back pain. She has a disc problem.
where
So
you
is
are
there,
present?
Sir, I'm staying in Chikmagalur, Karnataka.
Chikmagalur.
Yes,
Then
sir.
call me my number
Yes, sir.
9844545326. Okay? 9844545326. I will tell you the result. Okay? Whatever you have to do for your mother. Because
Yes, sir.
it's a
Thank you so
common,
much.
it is not a common question for all. Huh?
Yes,
So
yes,
call
yes,
it
I understand.
personally and then explain
Sir,
your
9844
54
54
53
53
26.
26. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you to all of you and Vijay sir also. Thank you. I'm
Thank
leaving.
you, sir.